What's up guys, in this video I'm actually gonna record this video since it's interesting, but as you guys can see, okay, so we're gonna be wipe coding an application using the usual stuff. I mean, using this application called Tempo. Yeah, so we're going to use Next.js for this, and we're going to use Supabase for the DB, and we don't need payments. Okay, so we're going to set up the integrations. We could connect Supabase real quick, so I'm going to, in fact, connect Supabase before we move forward. That way we can get this out the way. Okay, so now that I've connected it, it should be connected anytime now. There we go. So now that I've connected it, what we're going to do is we're going to select the project. This should be fine, and we'll select so let's select this. I don't know why it's not working right now. Okay, so I've authorized the select a Supabase project to connect Tempo to. So I have I can't select it, so it's a little annoying. Yeah, I mean, I have it here, but I don't. Okay, so let's just do none for now. Okay, so let's go here and we'll tell what we want to build. Okay, build me an application for students to sign up, where students I want to start a. Okay, we'll phrase this better. Okay, so we'll say I want to start a educational company which combines teaching English for singular students plus teaching them technology in a gamified manner. Not the old boring computer science tech, but rather the new gen hype stuff like AI and other stuff, but in a way that Gen Zs like to understand. Make a website for me that looks really good. My brand is Alexa. Plus, make sure it allows students to sign up to my program easily, and clearly mentions what we do. We do full stack development using various softwares to get MVPs running as soon as possible. Various SaaS MVPs running as soon as possible. AI agentic workflows, plus other things easier. AI workflows, other apps that make things easier. Plus we also help them with the process, help them land a job in the industry. Plus have a no judgment for people. Make it in a way that only 5 people are allowed to join, and make the first class free. So let's see how we get. I just want to see what it cooks up, just to see. I'm going to save this though, however. So let's say, okay, so we're launching a container. Okay, it's doing pretty well. I'm going to play some hip music, so that way it's interesting for us to listen to. Otherwise it's pretty boring, isn't it? So it's okay, so it's making a diagram, which is really impressive, to be honest. Okay, it's starting the dev server now. So I'm going to play some music. So it's really good. It's doing pretty well. So it's doing a really good job here. So let's see what sort of application it fires up. Okay, so it's generating this part, as you can see. Okay, so see, it seems like it's going into some problems. Let's see how it solves the problems. Let's see how good it is at solving itself. It seems like it's solving its own problems, which is really impressive, to be honest. It's kind of scary, to be honest. I can't lie. As a dev, it's pretty scary because it's solving its own problems and it has its own context. So, generating home route. So let's see what this does. Cool, so we'll fix this problem and see how it fixes the problems that it encounters. Right now I have no idea. Okay, we have some idea. So I think it's using something in a part where it's not supposed to use. So it's using this. Okay, so it's coming from a component, a client component. Right, so hasn't specified that it's a client component, which happens usually, so. Okay, so now it's restarting. Let's see if it... Okay, so it seems like the problems have fixed itself. And let's see how it comes up with something great. Let's wait for this to complete. Alright, seems like we have this done. Okay, but this is very, very, the colors are not very, dynamic, I would say. Make sure the colors pop out and are nice. Right now it looks too blank with the black and white. Make sure the colors are bright and looks good for anyone to see. Alright, let's see what it cooks up. 1 second. Oh, is my microphone okay? Alright, yep. Seems like it's fine. Cool. So we're getting some new styling here, I believe. Okay, so it seems like we're firing up the hero section. So let's see what it cooks up. Course offerings. Cool. Okay, let's see what sort of outcome it comes up with. I just want to see what it purely cooks up. This is the diagram right here. So this the AI model drew this whole diagram, as you can see. So as you can see right here, this is like what it pretty much summarized my prompt, my initial prompt, and it pretty much drew the diagram, and then it did the thing. So now it's has the course offerings page looks a little weird. So it's still generating, so let's give it some time. Hire a human, high expert engineers and designers, $50 an hour on demand. Right, get help deploying full stack support. Right. This is fire, what? This is low-key kind of cringe, but this is kind of scary. $50 an hour, right? They outsource it, let's say $20 an hour. Then boom. You can just use this. People can just use this, and people can just use like outsourcing, that's it. So they have the design right here, and we also have the code separately. You can't go back and forth, but you can go back and forth. Source path, so you can see the components and stuff. So this is the default page. So let's go on to design, see how it looks. Okay, so this is supposedly the home page, and we have this looks kind of dull and empty, I would say. I would say make it better. I think I could say that. Join first class. Our course offerings, full stack, workflow, sales, and creations. Join our first free class. Storyboard, I don't know what this is about. Looking at the current app. Please make it more lively. Plus, make it overall better. I would say I would use less tokens with this. I would say please make it more lively and make it overall better. So let's see what it cooks up. So far in 14 minutes, I would say about 12 or 10 minutes I've cooked up something decent. It's not the best, but kind of ass low-key, but it's okay. It's not bad. So we have a bunch of UI components. Registration form. It's fine. So you can just drag and drop, I believe. Okay, there we go. So this is the registration form. You could possibly connect these functions to actual backends, but it is doing a pretty good job. So you can create a repository and everything from here. So you can just commit to a repository. Let's just call it this cringy name. So let's install whatever this is. Yep, that's... Wait for this to complete whatever it does. Where the fuck it... Okay. It's still working on it. Let me install this real quick. Alright. How do I add this without... Let me try to add this with the... What's the goal of the idea of the app, of this app though? What's the general idea here? Just to like, I'm just messing around right now. Just like, I've just like idea deep down to like start my own like academy type of thing, brother. So that's like basically what I'm trying to do here. Specifically for like my country, because it's like, that way it's like, there's more trust factor built. So make the application look better. I just want to see what the capabilities of this new model is, this Tempo Labs thingy, just to see what it does. Want to get this thing linked with it, but I guess we'll leave that for last because I can't access this anymore. But this thing can design and can also... What's this? I'm just clicking buttons. I'm just trying to understand if what it does. So far, I thought it was super like good, but it wasn't really living up to my expectations, to be honest. Because there's a lot more that's missing, I would say. Like it's doing a decent job, but it's not, you know, all that. That makes sense. It's still doing this. So let's see what it does. Want to see what it does. So it's like hallucinating a bit, but it does have the idea. It has like a system design over here. So it was doing a pretty good job in that sense. Good thing I keep it. Good thing, keep it, bro. You got an IT background? Yeah, I do actually. I'm like a final year CS graduate, bachelor's, not master's. Should it have courses and shit like that? Not really. I would say at first I'm just experimenting with if I can cook up like okay, I would say I'm trying to cook up this like MVP, I would say, to just get like the first 5 signups. So as far as right now goes, I don't really think of adding courses and stuff. So I just want to have like signups for like a physical class type of thing, for like the first 5 slots type of thing. Just have a basic website, and maybe later on, if I have enough demand for it, then I would go more into other things, like, you know, making this an actual academy, if that makes sense. So if there is demand for it, if there's no demand for it, then I wouldn't. So that's the thing. So overall, I would, if there is demand for it. It's still generating, so it's kind of slow, but it's kind of expected from these models. But it is doing a pretty good job at designing systems, I would say, at least like a decent job. Is it gonna refresh? Hello, Chikaka? Hello, what's happening? It's tweaking out. Am I doing something wrong here? I'm not sure if I'm doing something wrong here. It's like it's tweaking out a little bit. Cause like fix any issues with the current application, I would say. I just want to see what it does. It's been like 10 minutes or 15 minutes so far, and this is what I've gotten done. Not bad, but not great, I would say. So it's fixing some problems, but right now it looks super bugged out. I don't know what's wrong with it, but looks like it's not reading like a CSS file or some sort of dependency for Tailwind. I don't think it was gonna implement like the Supabase logic, but I didn't connect the database properly because I just wanted to see what it does, UI wise at least. But so far it's not really, I'm not really satisfied a lot with the outcome. So I'm gonna try again with this time with the same prompt, okay? Except I'm gonna give Lovable, which is my usual AI model. I use Lovable for my usual stuff. So I'm gonna see what Lovable cooks up. Okay, so we're gonna give the exact same prompt and see what it does. I've used Lovable before, and Lovable has done like a pretty good job. I'm guessing it is using, yes, it is using Next.js. I specifically selected that at the start of the stream. So you can see like the selections that I did as well. This one is like purely React, which is kind of annoying because sometimes I just don't want to deal with external backends. So at that point, Next.js is very convenient because you can just directly implement it rather than like React, where you have to like sort of build it from scratch for the external backend. So that's the annoying thing about React, I would say. So right now it's bugging out. I've ran out of prompts, and so far, at first I would say if like 5 minutes back, I would say I was pretty impressed with what was happening. Not 5 minutes, yeah, 5 minutes back I would say I was pretty impressed with what was happening, but right now it's like hallucinating, to be honest. So I can't really give it a good recommendation, but let's see if I can at least deploy this. See if I can. Is that gonna take one more of my prompts? I don't know. I just want to see what it looks like, at least on deploy, if it would fix any of these problems. I don't know. I don't think so. But let's see what this cooks up. Also, I want to see what Chef does, because Chef is also... I'm going to give it the same prompt, okay? And I'm going to let it pick. Let me just sign up to this, to be honest. Let me sign in real quick, and let's see what it cooks up. So Lovable is obviously working in the background. And this is done signing in. I can close this window, okay. So let's see what this cooks up. It still says signing in for some reason. Okay, well, next. Okay, I guess there's something wrong with this, but okay, cool. So let's see what it does. Okay, so now it's cooking up something as well. So from what I've heard, Chef is actually good at building the backend as well. So it uses its own backend, which has everything like together, which is very convenient. So yeah, let's see how good it really is. Let's see which one is the most convenient, and whatever is the most convenient, we'll stick to it. Because I have not messed around with Chef, and I've messed around with the Lovable, but the others I have not messed around with them. So it's going to be interesting to see which one is the best across all in real time. So I've got my first thoughts on what I think about them. I think Tempo, and I had like a few others. Nope, this is not living up to the hype. That's my honest thought. It's like I've ran out of prompts. Maybe I could try it once more and I do like an updated video on this. But so far, I'm a little disappointed, to be honest. So let's try this. Let's see what this cooks up. it's writing the whole thing. Okay, so the UI, I don't think the UI side of things, I would say make the UI look outstanding. Is outstanding a word? Yeah, okay. I don't think Chef is not good at UIs, I would say. It's just good at like the backend stuff, I would say. Either way, I don't think this is gonna replace people anytime soon, to be honest, because they're pretty dog shit from what I can see. I would say make the UI look outstanding. See what it does different. I just want to see. So it's a pretty basic website, I would say. I was expecting something better, but I mean, it's not bad, but it's also just very AI, I would say. Okay, so this is a little bit better, but it's still not what I was expecting, to be honest. So this is just hallucinating and it's like completely bugged out. I don't know if I did something wrong here, but it's completely bugged out. And this looks okay, but the rest of it looks completely bugged out. Look at that. So I don't think this is gonna work. So I'll do an updated video on this. If it works the way I want it to. So far, I'm pretty disappointed, to be honest. So this is what this cooked up. Still not very impressed, to be honest. I would say, let me try ReadZero. The UI is just not there, you know? But I did get like nice UIs done from these. So let's see if I can get that done from here. Because keep in mind, I have not given it a Figma design. So maybe if I give it a Figma design, it would do a pretty good job. Basically like copy and paste that. But let's see what this does. This is ReadZero by Vercel. Okay, so cool. It's interesting. Does this do anything? No? Okay, it's fine. So okay, there's a few improvements. I mean, overall, it's nothing crazy, but I would say, yeah, honestly, I would say this is not good for like an introduction page. This is a little bit better, but it's just not there, you know? This one, let's see what this cooks up. Tempo did a decent job. At first I was starting to feel like this is good, but then it just like fucked up afterwards. So yeah, not very impressed, to be honest. But maybe it's a technical problem that could be fixed, because it seems like there's like a CSS problem here. So I'm gonna try once I have enough prompts tomorrow. But let's see what this does in the meantime. In the meantime, I want to pull some more AI models, since this is a pretty good use case. Give me some AI models that I can get a full stack application of, get a web app, React or Next.js built from a simple prompt. See what GPT says. Okay, so this is what I've used all this time, so it's nothing new. Okay, Vercel ReadZero, we're trying it right here, and what was that? Okay, that was that. Lokofi AI, let's try this one. Builder.io, Replit. I have not tried this. Replit seems to be pretty good, so let's try these in order. So not a very convincing landing page, I would say. Looks like there's too much happening. Doesn't give me like confidence in using it, to be honest. Could be better. Let me see if I can get this done. Nothing really. I'll say, I don't know, Stripe, I guess. This Stripe website looks pretty good. Should look pretty good. Let me log in real quick. Okay. Yeah, because the Stripe website looks pretty good. Okay. Let's try this one as well. Write a prompt. Okay, so this is confusing. Show me how to write. So where did my initial prompt go? Okay, I have this. So where's the rest of the application? It's super confusing, I would say. Let me log into this. Let's see what the capabilities of Replit are. I just want to see if this is good, you know? If it's good. Okay, so nope. I think I'm good. Okay, well, I can't use this, clearly. Yeah, see? Let me just delete these and see if I can cook up something then. Delete. Delete. Maybe I'll... Okay, that works. App type, I would say modern web app. Let's build this. This is not what I was expecting. But it's okay, I guess. It's nothing crazy, right? It's okay. It's just like a pretty basic landing page. I would say it's like something Claude gets done. So I would say I'm not very impressed, to be honest. This one seems like it's taking some time. So let's see what this is capable of. The coffee. So let's see what this is capable of. I want to see what it can do. So we'll just log in. And it's just anything that's fine. And I don't know. Too many questions. It's fine. Pricing page, okay. Can I start? Nope, not doing that. Student dashboard, no, I don't need that. Do testimonials, interactive demo lessons to showcase, right. For now, we'll get this done. We can just comment it out if it's pretty good features. Let's see what this cooked up. Okay, so let's fix the problem as well. So we can see a final preview, I would say. Yeah, this is, again, not very impressed. This one, let's see if it improved. Not very impressed. Nope, not really. Still pretty basic, I would say. So a lot of work needs to be done there. I learned English in... Once again, I'm not very impressed, I would say. They still look very similar. It's like like there's no emotional aspect to it. Like no artistic aspect to it, I would say. Like this has like a slight artistic aspect, but this looks okay, I guess. This looks better than the other ones, but it looks half built, so okay, I think it's building as we speak. Interesting. Okay, that's it. Oh, okay, it's not done yet. It's fine. So we'll keep this here. What else do we have? What are the other AI models we have? I'm gonna try to use another Tempo. Yeah, this is like fully bugged out, so I'm not gonna give it a final rating since we have not gotten what we expected. So we're gonna try a different tool. Give me some more tools. Okay. So there's this website called Codium, which mutable.ai. See what this is about. Codium.ai. Right, okay. So let's just try these for now because I can't try all of them. So this is a code editor. Nope, not what I was looking for. Seems like it. No, I don't think I should use that. Okay, I think it's in beta. Okay, so this one seems promising. Let's see what this does. And let's see if I can Okay, so it's an extension. That's fine. For now, I'm good with that. Okay, so it's okay. This one looks like something that could be fixed. This one, I don't know. I'm not too happy with that. This one looks pretty good. Still cooking up. So yeah, this one looks pretty good, I would say. Replit is pretty good. This one's not that great. This one is decent. Okay, so this is also cooking up. My GPU fans are going crazy right now, I swear to God. But it is cooking something up, and it's really nice. Seems like it's cooking up something really nice. Please don't let me down. My GPU fans are going crazy, I kid you not. Okay, so this one is decent. It's not bad. This is the best so far, I would say. Because it's very simple, but still lacks the creative eye. I'd say like buying a template is better than this so far. No offense. No, I'm not impressed. Can I just like view this? No. Preview? No? Okay, well. Do the buttons work? No? Okay. The buttons don't work. That's okay, I guess. Okay, it's still building. Okay, that's fine. See what this is about. Let me just restart my Spotify. See how this hooks up. Overall, not bad, but not great, right? Not very convincing. But it's not bad. Could definitely needs a lot of improving. But it's not bad, honestly. It's a wipe coding thingy, right? So it's fine. No, a complete no. I would say make the UI look outstanding. I'll give it a second chance. This one is so far the best. It's still in the process. This one looks pretty dang good. With the functionality, I believe it would be better. Yeah, this looks pretty good so far. Okay, I mean, it's not bad, but I'm gonna close this tab because this is kind of pissing me off. I'll like revisit it about tomorrow. So let's wait for this to complete, and we'll also wait for this to complete. See what the final outcome of these are. What else do we have? So the other enzyme. Okay, sorcery. Functionary. I don't think any of these are good, to be honest. Yeah, I don't think any of these are good. No. No. What the fuck? Okay, well. Let's wait for this to complete. Again, not the best. Not great. This looks horrible. I said make the UI look outstanding, but didn't really do much. This one looks pretty good. Let's see. I want to see the final version. This one seems promising. Let's see. Let's see what it cooks up. want to see what this does. And I also want to see, I was trying to use NA10, but I couldn't. So let's use this thing called Flex AI. Or Flux AI, I don't know what you call it. I think it's this one. So this is supposedly a AI automation workflow that lets you sort of do things for free. That's what I've heard so far. So let me log into this. I'm putting full faith in this by giving it my credentials. Yeah, well, it's not accepting my credentials, so I guess fuck me then. So let's use a different one. Trying to see if I can get... NA10 is not free, so it's completely out the equation. I've used make.com, it's a little scuffed. So same with Zapier. It's a little, I don't know, scuffed, to be honest. Let's wait for this to complete. Let's see what the outcome is. Okay, well, not bad. Pretty good improvement, I would say. Yeah, I mean, it's not bad, but right, I mean, it's okay, I would say. Not bad. Not very impressed, but it's decent. It was a pretty good experiment, I would say. It was fun understanding the ins and outs of the so-called wipe coding applications so far. They're not good. That's my final opinion. They're not at a good spot, but they're decent, right? I would say they're pretty good, but they're not anywhere near like replacement type of shit. It would replace like junior devs, I would say, but it's senior devs now. I don't think so. So let's see what this one fires up. Want to see what sort of outcome it brings, you know? This one's not bad. It's not a huge thing, but I mean, it's alright. I would say make the website look a lot more lively and better overall. See what it does. See what this one does as well. I'll see what it does. This is nice. I like this. I hope the buttons are clickable though. If it is clickable, this is nice. I mean, okay, this could use a little bit of help, but overall pretty good. Pretty good. I like it. I like this one. It's very divided. Looks pretty good. Oh, let's see what this is about. Yeah, I mean, this is nice. I like this. The fuck are these people? I would say make the website look more lively and better. Let's see what it does. I'm just curious. I just want to use all my prompts to see the best version of what it can do, if that makes sense. I want to see like what the best it can do. See what the... This is kind of fun. Overall, I think... Okay, actually, you know what? I gotta revisit Chef. Because I feel like Chef has that aspect of... I feel like Chef has done a pretty good job on the back end, which is something that I could not review. So let's go back to the back end and see what it has done. Because I believe... Chef has done a pretty good job. So I want to see. Let's look at the back end. Okay, well, it has integrated some stuff. Okay, so it has integrated some endpoints. Of course, there's no data since we have not used it, but it has implemented some pretty good backend. You can use if you can use a front-end framework like this one, and get a nice front-end done, and then you can combine it with the backend that it built. All Gucci. So this one is like real-time tracking and everything for the endpoints, backend endpoints. That's really cool. I like it. It's really cool. I like it. Thumbs up from me. Because if you can have one of these and then connect that to the front end over here, then we can have a pretty good application built. But I still don't think it could replace people. Maybe junior devs, but not seniors. It's my honest opinion. That's my honest opinion. Hey, what's up, Yapper? I don't know who this is. Considering options. Yep. Well, this is done. I think it's done with the... I just want to like make sure this hits the API limit. I mean the prompt limit. Until then, I'll just keep spamming the same message over and over again. Let's wait for this to complete. I like this song. See what it fires up. So it's doing some pretty good front end work, I would say. Because this is some stuff that not a lot of people do, but it still has problems hallucinating. So there's a lot of bad, but there's a lot of good to it as well. So, well, let's so it's taking a screenshot and it's diagnosing in itself. Interesting. No, never mind. No, let it do its thing. This one has done the job for the back end. Let's close these for now. See what it does. I want to see what it cooks up. It's interesting. I've tried majority of these platforms actually. Okay, this is bugged out, but it's okay. So far the best, I would say. This is very confusing, but it's okay. This is nice. This is very nice. I like it. Pretty good, pretty good. No response here. This is pretty nice. This is pretty nice. This is nice. I like this. This is also nice. And yeah, I mean, it's all good. Pretty good, pretty good. Okay, well. See what the final page looks like with the changes. Kind of curious to see. I want to see what the final outcome of this looks like. It's still doing its thing, so let's give it some time. It's having a little bit of bugs in the background. I can see that. Okay, let it do its thing. Still working on stuff. Contact us. Okay, this is not working, that's fine. Okay, so let's see what it looks like now. Once it's done restarting, see what it looks like. Kind of curious to see. It's a song, I don't like it. Okay. Okay, so it's cooking up a lot of stuff, which is interesting. I like this. What the fuck? Okay, okay, buddy. Okay, buddy. That's crazy. These testimonials are crazy. Straight up from GPT. Okay. It's fine. This is fire. I mean, yeah, this is nice. This is really nice. I like this. I like this a lot. Let's use the same, I would say improve it further. Add any enhancements that would make the website look even better. Let's do the same thing here once it cooks something up. Okay, this is very weird, I would say, but overall, okay, this looks fucked up. This is not okay. This looks fucked up once again. This is not bad, not good either. Very fucked up. Spam the hell out of the AI models. Overall, I would say it's the winner has to be one of these two. So far, it's leading towards this one. And for backends, it's obviously Chef. That's what I'm seeing here. So let's see what this is gonna cook up for the next step. Well, I'm kind of interested to see who wins. This might make a comeback. Let's see. Wow, it's cooking things up. But it's gonna be so confusing to like navigate through this code base though, because it's like building a code base that's like so complex. But then like you go and revisit a complex code base which is like already built by someone else. So it's like it's like managing hospital code, if that makes sense. You just have no idea what's happening. It's already built and like super confusing. So you gotta go and understand what's happening in the trenches to debug. It's not that bad though, because it's using a lot of classic JS, which is kind of a red flag in my head, because it's using something outside the scope. It's not a red flag, but it's just like very, I don't know, not something I prefer. Like especially on a framework like React, if you're using event listeners, there's gotta be some sort of complex feature that you're trying to add here. So that's my thing. But hey, it might be cooking up something even better, so see what it does. Okay, well, it's Thinking, it's still thinking. I like this. It's not bad. I want to see what this cooks up. I want to see the final outcome of this. It's gonna be so interesting. Yo, this is fire. Okay, this is fire. This is nice. I like this. I like this a lot. I like this a lot. Buttons don't work, but it's okay. Looks pretty good. I like it. Wow. Wow. Holy shit, no, Veloxa was so expensive. Okay. Okay, buddy. Okay, buddy. Okay. Gamified learning. Okay, job placement support. That never claimed that. Students say cool. I mean, if you guys are happy. Yeah, okay, well, you guys have cool. Interesting stuff. Interesting. We'll make it even better, like until my caps like go and hit. I want to like maximize it. Max aura. So that way it like I use all my free tokens to build like the best version of like the website, and then the rest I will do it myself. That's like my plan. I just want like the best thing built so far, and the rest of it I will build it myself. You know what I mean? All right. Well, let's see. This is interesting. It is still restarting, but it's fine. We'll give it this prompt. I'm gonna do this for like once more, and then we're gonna head out because it's been almost an hour since I started doing this. Let's see what it does. It's gonna be pretty interesting. So you get the code as well, so that's pretty fire. This is kind of fucked up, but this is decent. This is nice. I like the cursor. It's pretty cool. It's a little fucked up, I would say, but it's alright. This cursor is a little annoying, I would say, but it's not bad. Okay, this is nice. I like this. I like this a lot. This is fucked up. Pricing, I mean, it's on the same page, right? Okay, well, what our students say, not bad, I like it. Okay, not bad, not bad. It's not bad. Yeah. It's cool. I would say just for once more, just to see. I just want to see what it finally cooks up, you know? Okay, once more. This is the last go before I stop streaming, because I'm gonna see what it looks like. I'm gonna announce the best one in the comments, whatever I prefer, and whatever I'm going forward with, because this looks pretty good. Both of them look pretty good, but obviously like the logic and stuff, you can't really replace that because that's gonna be a hallucination, bunch of hallucinations happening. But the UI is something you can replace. Front end. That's interesting actually. It's a weird time we live, you know? Things are changing so weird, bro. Like, still thinking, so yeah, pretty fascinating stuff. We've tested multiple different models, and so what I've discovered is V0 and Replit and Convex, Chef are the best. Chef is the best for backends, and the rest of them are the best for UIs. Mainly Replit, and then V0. Laravel is decent, but then you gotta make sure you do stuff manual. So that's a catch. And yeah, it's pretty much see the final outcome. Once I see the final outcome, I'm just gonna just like right after. Oh man, can I put my balls in your jaws? Balls. You know what? We gotta do some karaoke type of shit, even though there's like nobody in here. You know, we don't know, bartender knows my name, and I don't know. She kicks him off strong, chooses her friend. Country roads. Yeah, the fuck is that? That's not country roads. Some weird shit.
Launching and managing a WordPress website can feel
man.
overwhelming, but with managed WordPress hosting from
That's not I'm Yours. This one. Here's a legend song. Yeah.
Well, you done me, you bet I felt it. I tried to beat you, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks, and now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool down run out, I'll be giving it my best. And nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It should not wait. I'm sure.
Bruh, I just fucked up the lyrics and the pitch too. Cool. Yeah. 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 Rapping and typing the circular. Yeah. I should be rapping and trapping it back in the whip and everything. I'm not flowing for shit. Let me try that. No more, it cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate. I'm sure it's sure this is our fate. I'm yours. Yeah.
I've been spending way too long checking my tongue in the mirror and bending over backwards just to try to see it clearer, but my breath fogged up the glass, and so I drew a new face and I laughed. I guess what I've been saying is there ain't no better reason to rid yourself of vanities and just go with the seasons. It's what we aim to do. Our name is our virtue, but I won't hesitate. cannot take no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure. Open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. I look into your heart and you'll find that the sky is yours. So please don't, please don't, please don't. There's no need here to complicate, 'cause our time is short.
One more, just one more.
This is our fate.
That's all.
I'm yours.
You are my sunshine. Yes, sir. You are my day. I'm singing. Yeah. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Always love you, and you have you. You will only say the same. If you leave me, and another, you will now sometime. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Oh my god, but I can't sing for shit anymore. Crazy. You're my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are red. You never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Where?
Please don't take
My sunshine away.
No, please don't take.
Where? It's not. You are my sunshine. You are my sunshine, my only sun.
I've gotta take a little time, a little time to think it. 1, 2, 3.
When the land is dark, when the night has come, when the night has come and the land is dark, and the moon is the only light, and the moon is the only light, and the moon.
1, 2, 3.
Alright, well.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, you are my fire, the one desire. When I say I want it that way, I do it
thinking about. Can you serve your heart when I say I want it that way? Tell me why. Tell me why. Am I a mistake? Tell me why. I never wanna hear you say I want it. You're fire, the one desire. When you lay, I want it that way. Tell me why ain't nothing but a heartache. Tell me why ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me why I never wanna hear you say I want it that way.
Oh my god, it's so high.
The way that it used to be, yeah. No matter the distance, I want you to know that deep down inside of me, you are my fire, the one desire. You are, you are.
So why? So why? Yeah. I'm about to K-Vlog this shit. Watch.
I found a love for me, darling, just dive right now.
Oh my god, I fucked it.
Follow my lead, and I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were so waiting for me. You're in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Darling, just kiss me slow. It's all that I want. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. You said you looked a mess. I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it all. You were perfect tonight. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Her eyes make the stars look like they're not shining. Her hair falls perfectly without her trying. She's so beautiful, I tell her every day.
Yo.
I know, when I compliment her, she won't believe me. It's so sad to think that she don't see what I see. But every time she asks me, do I look okay, I say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing. Just the way you are.
I can't hit that.
When you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause girl, you're amazing. Just the way you are. Her lips, I could kiss them all day. She let me. Her laugh, yeah, she hits me. I think it's so sexy. She's so beautiful, in a time of every day. Oh, you know, I never ask you to change. If perfect's what you're searching for, then just stay the same. So don't even bother asking if you look okay. You know what I say when I see your face. There's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are.
Bruh.
The way you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are.
Bruh, so high.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah. When I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. Oh yeah, just the way you are.
How do I download this shit? I can't download this.
Just the way you are.
Pretty fast, man. Pretty fast, man.
Girl, you're amazing.
Pretty fast, man. I can't download this, so that's a thumbs up from me. Yay! Fuck this. I'm done. I'm done. I'm actually done. I'm done with this bullshit. Look, it's stuck. Can download this, right? Yo, what's up? What's up, Easy? Easy, I think that's your name, right? All because of you. All because of you. Heaven's all Yeah, so now that I have this, I can't download this, so that's a big bummer. I just wasted time. Apparently I need to pay another $10 to deploy this. So yeah, it's very fun. Yeah, so $15 to deploy it, so I can download it. Teddy, those in the middle are Delta. What do you mean? All right, Eddie. Right. Right. I'm trying to give me a second actually. Oh my god, really? Because of you. Because yep. Yeah, bruh, really? My computer's stuck. Oh my god. My computer is not having a great time. My computer sounds like it's about to explode, I swear to god. I'll close this. Now, they know now. What's up, man? What's up, Eddie? How you doing? I'm like super hyped with the song, you know? I'm just trying to vibe. It's actually a holiday tomorrow where we live. So I'm like vibing right now. Because of you. I can't hit that. Said it all because you know. Become my addiction. All because of you. All because of you. Bruh, my computer's like stuck right now. That's crazy. Hold up. Let me try to hold up actually. Where is this? Oh my god, it's so laggy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bro, this is like so laggy right now. My PC fans are going crazy, I swear. What? What? Okay, well, I mean, yeah, I mean that's there, but this just has one readme file. What am I gonna do with this one? I'm not gonna do anything with this, bro. Oh well. It's not even live. That's crazy. You got my addiction. Because of you. All because of you. All because you know. The sweet sweet through. Bro, this is like, it's alright, I guess. It's not bad. What the fuck? This is fucked up.
I'm Sean. And I'm Elliot.
Redeploy.
Managing directors of Booty, a sustainable underwear and clothing.
But I don't need a sustainable underwear clothing brand.
Funky, and it relied on developers.
More than words. See if the song is good. Every bet you take, I fucking love the song. Alright, boys. I'm gonna head out now because I'm kind of tired as well. Hope you guys have a good tomorrow, today, whenever you see this video. And remember, every bet you take, I'ma wish you the best. Alright. And yeah. See you guys. Bye bye. Actually, you know what? A little into the song, I will quit stream. Every breath you make, every time
sound you play, every step you take, I'll be watching you. Oh, every single day, every word you say, every game you play, every night you stay, I'll be watching you. Oh, can't you see? You belong to me. I'm a part every step you take, every note you make, every sound you take, every smile you feel, every time you feel, I've been watching you. Since you've gone, I've been lost without a trace. I dream the night I can only see your face. I look around, but it's you I can't replace. I feel so cold and I long for your embrace. Keep crying, baby, baby, please. You say you belong to me. How my poor heart aches with every step you take, every move you make, every vow you break, every smile you fake, every cloud you stay, I'll be watching you. Every breath you take, every move you make, every bond you break, I'll be watching. Every single day, every word you say, every game.
Well, that's it from me, guys, for tonight. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye. Thank you guys so much for watching. For coming by the Yusuf Yapper. I know who Yapper is. And yeah, thank you guys. Have a nice day, night, whenever you guys are watching this. And yeah.